Hello there. Thursday was all about Storm Hector and the contrasting weather conditions across the UK. We started off wet and windy in some places. In fact, we saw gusts of winds in excess of 70 miles an hour across parts of Northern Ireland and northwest England. And that's strong enough to bring down some of those summer trees in full leaves. We also saw nearly 2 inches of rainfall across parts of the Highlands. But by contrast, as the cloud cleared and the sunshine came through, we had some beautiful weather across central and southern England. Highs of 24 degrees recorded at Heathrow. But as we move towards Friday, a little ridge of high pressure builds and quietens things down pretty much for all of us. There will be some showers around to the far north and west and through Northern Ireland in particular, some of these quite sharp, and they will gradually drift their way steadily eastwards through Scotland as we go through the day. The best of the sunshine in the southeast, the best of the warmth here, highs of 22 degrees, much fresher further north. 14 to 17 as a maximum. So as we go into the weekend, it does look as though that we could see some sharp showers, particularly on the Saturday. If you've got outdoor plans, Sunday looks likely to be the better of the 2 days. Now, some of that rain could be quite heavy through the west first thing on Saturday. A bit of a question mark as to how much rain we'll get across central and southern England as that front weakens as it pushes eastwards. But we could see some welcome rain for the gardens here and a fresher feel generally on Saturday, 14 to 20 degrees. Now, once that frontal system clears through, and it will do so, again, we see this little ridge of high pressure building behind before the next system continues to push in from the Atlantic. So on Sunday, a quieter story for most of us. We will see more cloud pushing in from the west and eventually, maybe by the end of the day, some showers fringing Northern Ireland and Western Scotland. But sheltered eastern areas should see the best of the sunshine and potentially the best of the warmth. Highs of 22 degrees, 72 Fahrenheit. So as we move out of Sunday into Monday, we've got that area of low pressure to push in from the northwest. Now, it may well just brush with the extreme north of the country and a windier story here, but the isobars remain fairly widely open across England and Wales. A breezier day, but largely dry, settled and sunny. So on Monday, looks likely that we'll see some showers through Northern Ireland and again into Scotland and northwest England. But central and southern areas should stay largely dry, breezy, yes, but quite warm with it. Highs of 24 degrees, not out of the question. That's 75 Fahrenheit. Now, looking further ahead, there is the potential for these low pressures to continue to move in from the Atlantic up into the north, but as we move further ahead still and out into the Atlantic, you can start to see an area of high pressure that will build. Now, this high pressure is going to be significant. There is a level of uncertainty as to how far east that high pressure will be sitting, but if it sits across central and southern areas, it could indicate a change. It will push the jet stream that little bit further north and deflect the areas of low pressure again to the northern half of the country. And at the same time, we'll start to drag in a little bit more warmth across central and southern areas. So it does look as though we could be set up for more of a north-south divide in the longer term period. Mainly dry and warm in southern areas, the potential for cooler, wetter and at times some windier weather up into the far north. But a lot to play for. Of course, I'll update you as we head into the weekend.